Aboard the stars where silence hung, Sereth's hands worked where shadows run. She found his notes, his careful art, and tuned the harp to break a heart. The ship surged forward, the cosmos swayed towards Esvim's glow, her plans were laid. A silver arrow through the night, her steps were calm, her eyes alight. Oh, strings of starlight, sing your song of power lost, of right and wrong. A harp that hums with lives untold, a melody of fire and gold. That play paced where the neon burned, the harp loomed large, its secrets churned. Seri smiled, her words like lace. Let the music guide, let the chaos erase. Through Duraglass halls the harp took stage, its haunting voice a timeless cage. Epla played, lost in its glow, while Seri pulled strings he'd never know. Oh, strings of starlight, sing your song of power lost, of right and wrong. A harp that hums with lives untold, a melody of fire and gold. Beneath the glow of a fractured sky, the cracons rose with a primal cry. The harp screamed out, the children wept, while Sereth climbed, her secrets kept. Epla fled, his heart undone. The strings had bound more than just one, but Sereth stayed, her hands like stone. In the shattered room she stood alone. She played for power, not for grace, to rule the stars, to claim her place. The harp resisted, the soul still cried. Their father's gone, their song denied. The workers whispered of ghosts that stayed, of haunting notes where the harp once played. But Sereth vowed, her will like flame, to bend the harp, to carve a name. Oh, strings of starlight, sing your song of power lost, of right and wrong. A harp that hums with lives untold, a melody of fire and gold. The harp remembers, the children wait, bound by strings entwined with fate. And as Sereth plays, the shadows swell, a reckoning comes where echoes dwell. Oh, strings of starlight, hum your tune, a tale of ruin beneath the moon. For power sought and hearts betrayed, the harp will sing when debts are paid.